Hi everyone! We're going to try a new kind of poetry today. Today we're going to write an acrostic poem by brainstorming words and phrases about a topic. What is an acrostic? Acrostics are a fun poetic form that anyone can write. They have just a few simple rules, and this lesson will teach you how to create acrostic poems of your own. An acrostic is a poem in which the first letters of each line spell out a word or phrase. That can be someone's name, a thing, whatever you like. When children write acrostics, they often use their own first name, or sometimes the first name of a friend. Usually, the first letter of each line is capitalized. This makes it easier to see the words spelled out vertically down the page. Acrostics are easy to write because they don't need to rhyme and you don't need to worry about the rhythm of the lines. Each line can be as long or as short as you want it to be. Creating an acrostic in 5 easy steps. To create an acrostic, follow these 5 easy steps. 1. Decide what to write about. That's your topic. 2. Write your word down vertically. That means up and down in a column. Brainstorm words or phrases that describe your topic and that start with each of the letters you just wrote down. Place your brainstormed words or phrases on the lines that begin with the same letters. Make sure every letter has a brainstormed word or phrases. Now you have an acrostic. Let me show you how to follow the steps. The first step is to decide what you want to write your acrostic poem about. I recommend you start by writing an acrostic of your name or of your favorite thing, whatever that happens to be. It doesn't matter if your favorite thing is soccer, video games, chocolate, music, pizza, movies, or anything else. I really like ice cream, so I decided to write an acrostic about ice cream. First, I write the word ice cream down the page like this. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. Next, I'll say something about ice cream on each line. I got to think of words that start with the letter I just wrote down, so I'm going to brainstorm a lot of ideas. I wrote down all the ice cream flavors I could think of, and then I put them in my acrostic wherever they would fit, like this. Ice cream, cookies and cream, English toffee, chocolate chip, rocky road, almond fudge. I didn't fill in all of the lines yet. That's because I couldn't think of an ice cream flavor that starts with I or another one that starts with E. Also, I want to do something different with the last line to make it an ending, not just another flavor. I'm going to brainstorm phrases for I, E, and M. This is what I came up with. I love every flavor. I used a phrase there. Cookies and cream, English toffee, chocolate chip, rocky road, even strawberry and almond fudge. See, I put another phrase in there. Now every letter has a phrase or a word that starts with that sound and describes the topic. That's an acrostic. Now it's your turn to try. Why don't you try the word homework? So first, write the word homework down the page like this. Well, I made a title, homework. H-O-M-E-W-O-R-K. Next, brainstorm as many words and phrases as you can think of that have to do with homework. If they start with the same letters, H, O, M, E, W, O, R, K, write them next to that letter. Come up with other words or phrases so that every letter in homework has something written next to it. Oh, gee. up on my own. It starts with M. That has to do with homework. What starts with O? Now you fill in the rest. Things to remember. Acrostics can be about anything. Names are a good topic to start with. Try writing one using your best friend's name and giving it to them as a gift. You can choose a single word, a phrase, or even a sentence as a topic for your acrostic poem. Acrostic poems are one of the easiest and most fun ways to create poems of your own. Give it a try and see what you can come up with. Then have your grown-ups snap a picture and send it to your teacher. Talk to you tomorrow.